Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start a very interesting and adventurous story called Gulliver's Travels. This story is about a man named Gulliver. He loved traveling and exploring new places. He was very curious and wanted to see the world. So let us begin our wonderful journey with Gulliver. Gulliver was a young man who loved the sea. He wanted to become a sailor and travel to different countries. He traveled on ships and visited many new places. Okay. One day Gulliver went on a long sea journey. He was very excited about his adventure, but during the journey something unexpected happened. There was a terrible storm in the sea. The waves were very big and the ship was moving up and down. Everyone the ship was frightened. Gulliver tried his best to save himself, but unfortunately he got separated from the other people. After a long time, Gulliver finally reached an unknown land. He was very tired, so he fell asleep on the ground. When Gulliver woke up, he was very surprised. He could not move his hands or legs. He looked around and saw that tiny ropes were tied around him. He was completely tied down. Gulliver was confused. He thought, who has tied me up? Where am I? Then suddenly he saw something moving near his feet. Can you guess what he saw? He saw a very tiny person. The little person was much smaller than Gulliver. Gulliver was amazed. He looked around and saw many tiny people. They were walking around him and looking at him with great curiosity. These tiny people belonged to a small country called Lilliput. The people of Lilliput were very small, but Gulliver looked like a giant to them. At first, the tiny people were scared of Gulliver. They thought he might be dangerous. Okay? But Gulliver did not want to hurt them. He stayed calm and tried to show them that he was friendly. Slowly, the people of Lilliput became less afraid of him. They brought food and water for Gulliver because he was very hungry and thirsty. Okay, Gulliver was surprised to see how small everything was in their country. The houses were tiny. Okay, the people were tiny. Even their animals were tiny. Everything looked very different for Gulliver's own world. After some time, Gulliver became friendly with the people of Lilliput. He learned about their country and their way of life. The people also became interested in Gulliver. They had never seen such a huge person before. They called him a giant. Gulliver was very kind to learn and he wanted to help them whenever he could. One day Gulliver learned that Lilliput had a problem. The country was in danger and the people were worried. Gulliver decided to help them because he was much bigger and stronger than the tiny people. He was able to do many things that they could not do. The people of Lilliput were very happy with Gulliver. They thanked him for his help and treated him with respect. Gulliver enjoyed spending time in Lilliput, but he also missed his home. He wanted to return to his own country and meet his family and friends again. So, after many adventures, Gulliver finally found a way to leave the land of Lilliput. His journey was not over, dear. He had many more adventures ahead of him. Gulliver's Travels is a story full of adventure, imagination, and discovery. Through Gulliver's journey, we learn that the world is full of different people, different places, and different ways of living. We also learn an important lesson: we should not judge others by their size, appearance, or differences. Someone who looks different from us can still be kind, helpful, and friendly. So children, this was a short introduction to the wonderful story of Gulliver's Travels. In our next lesson, we will read the story step by step and understand new words, meaning, sentences, and important parts of the story. We will also learn how to read English with confidence and improve our vocabulary. So get ready for an exciting journey with Gulliver. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep reading, and keep improving your English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.